also, intensive revision used to happen, but never a special intensive revision has happened. But now, in the name of special intensive revision, sir, of electoral rolls conducted by Election Commission of India, sir. Sir, this exercise has drawn significant criticism from opposition parties, activists, and a segment of secular and Muslim community who allege that it is a rushed, opaque process that risks the disenfranchisement of legitimate voters, sir, particularly Muslims, and has caused widespread fears and distress, sir. Sir, there are many concerns about SIR process. Sir, voter deletion, preliminary analysis of the draft rolls in Bihar, sir. I would say, sir, in Bihar, many names were deleted also, sir. Sir, if we have to say, in Uttar Pradesh, sir, the draft list, the Election Commission is scheduled to publish the draft SIR electoral rolls for Uttar Pradesh on January 6, 2026, sir. Sir, if we have to see, sir, the same is happening in Kerala also, sir. 1.3 lakhs voters in Kerala have commenced to address exclusion and documentation issues, sir. Honorable Speaker, sir, in West Bengal also, recent reports indicate over 5.8 million names have been deleted from draft rolls in West Bengal as part of this verification drive, sir. Sir, the special intensive revision is a large-scale nationwide verification exercise aimed at cleaning of voters. It is said that it is cleaning of voters' rolls by removing ineligible entries and ensuring no eligible citizen is left out. This is what is said. But you know, sir, what is happening is that they are removing the real eligible voters. It is a very important issue, sir. So for this, sir, I on behalf of MIM party, sir, I would like to mention this, sir, there are key concerns regarding SIR, sir, process, like voter deletion. Preliminary analysis of draft rolls in Bihar indicated a higher tendency of voters deletion in districts with larger Muslim population across various states. Millions of names were removed from the electoral list, sir. Fear and uncertainty is also there, the lack of transparency and perception that the process could be to a citizen screening exercise like, potential National Registrar of Citizen or NRC has created significant panic and distress among Indian Muslims, with some report linking the stress to death and suicide also, sir. Like many BLOs have, sir, most important thing is that how can a BLO identify and say that this is a citizen of this country and this is not the citizen of this country? BLO doesn't have the authority. But, sir, there are also some procedural issues, sir. Sir, critics have pointed out that procedural flaws, such as officials not visiting homes, issue with incorrect information in the draft rolls, and lack of proper acknowledgement slips or submitted forms are there. And also there are political allegations also. Opposition parties have termed the SIR as a mere political and an exercise where they want to snatch away the voting rights of the biggest minority of this country, I mean Muslims, sir.